So hello guys, we are going to do analysis together, you understand? And this analysis we are going to do together, I want you to drop your own take, you understand, what you actually see on this analysis I'm going to do on the comment section below, you understand? And most of you that ask me which particular program am I using, and I always mention the program I use on my channel, and it's always on my description. It's always on my description. Just check my description if you want to know anything I'm using, the broker I'm using, and the program. So, but that's not the reason for this particular video. This video is about analysis. Let's do analysis together. Then we'll all learn from inside. And if you have anything to say concerning the analysis, then you drop it down below on the comment section. Thank you, and let's go straight to the analysis. So guys, this is our screen here. On our screen here, this is Euro USD, as you guys know. You understand? I always trade Euro USD. Not that I've not analyzed other pairs. You understand? I analyze other pairs, but presently, right now, I'm trading only Euro USD. So on our screen here, this is a major resistance level. This is exactly what I'm looking up to. This is exactly what I'm looking for. This is exactly what I'm watching presently. So on our screen here, this is daily time frame, and this is a strong resistance level. Why did I say it's a strong resistance level? It's a strong resistance level. You guys see, like as you can see, yes, here is a strong resistance level. And what I'm expecting from this particular area is the market. Is the market, as the market moves from this particular support level. This is support. This is where the market moves from. If you look closely, this is where the market moves from. This is a support level. This is what moved the market from this particular area to the upside. And as the market moves to this particular resistance level, what exactly I'm expecting from this market on the daily time frame or not weekly time frame, what I'm expecting from this market is to move from this particular resistance level down to around this area. You get down to around this particular area before we see any other move to the upside. You understand? Presently, this is what I'm expecting from the market. This is a new week. Today is Monday. As I'm doing this particular video, today is Monday evening. You get? I analyzed this particular chart yesterday, but I did not record it. I just see it today. I took a trade. Actually, let me show you guys where I take this particular trade from. I do the analysis in the morning. I do it yesterday as I'm back testing my strategy. I do it today, this morning, before I take that trade that is running. That particular trade, I take partial profit out, and I leave one running. So because I am expecting the market to move all the way from this place down to this place, you get? So that's the reason why I take partial profit and leave one running. But let me show you what this is exactly what I'm looking out for. And I want you guys, after I finish this particular analysis and you guys watch it from the beginning to the end, I want you guys to share your own opinion on the comment section. I want you guys to share your own opinion on the comment section. You get? So exactly what I'm looking for. This is it, nothing more. As the market moves from this support level, this particular support level, let me carry horizontal line and mark it out. As the market moves from this particular support level to the upside, this is the support level. This is where the market moves from. As the market moves from here to the upside, come to this resistance level. To me, this is a strong resistance level because it's on the daily time frame. And immediately as the market touch this particular resistance level, if you switch to the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame, if you switch to 4-hour time frame, this is an engulfing candle. And whenever the market come to a resistance level and you see an engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle, that means the market is taking an opposite direction. And the opposite direction of this particular trend now, you guys know that inside trend, even if the market is trending up, inside trend there is trend. There is trend inside trend. That is one language that I know. There is trend inside trend. So as the market come to this particular resistance level, it give us this bearish engulfing candle. You understand? As it give us this bearish engulfing candle, let me carry this particular arrow, then mark it out. As it give us this bearish engulfing candle, all I'm expecting, the reason why I enter this particular trade, all I'm expecting from this pattern now is to reverse from this particular resistance level, come down. You understand? Maybe form something like a W pattern, from like, if you switch down to the lower time frame, it will form something like a W pattern around this particular area. You understand? Before we see any move to the upside. So I'm going to switch and delete all this line now. Since we have seen where the market is from the daily time frame, and from that daily time frame is reacting from the 4-hour time frame. Then from the 4-hour time frame, now we'll switch to the lower time frame, and I'll show you guys what exactly I see before I enter this particular trade. You understand? Then, and this is exactly where I'm expecting to take out the position. If you look closely, this is 1 to 2. As you can see, this is 2 here, and 1 ratio 2. Risk reward. If you look closely, this risk reward ratio, RRR, risk reward ratio. So exactly what I see before I enter this particular trade is, if you switch to if I switch to 30-minute time frame now, this is 30-minute time frame. As I see that the market is on this resistance level, I come here on my phone. I do that one on my phone, but let me still do it here. I come here and I mark this particular place, because I know the market is on a resistance level and it's consolidating. You understand? This consolidation, I come here and I mark this particular place out, and I say that any of the candlestick that will break below this particular support level, then I'll enter for a sell. Means the market is taking the opposite direction, and I tell you guys, the opposite direction of this trade now is a sell, a downtrend. So immediately I see this particular candlestick close below this particular support level, I enter the market from on my phone. You understand? I enter the market on my phone. But this particular one, this exact area that I enter the market on my phone, yes, this particular candlestick is the candlestick that I enter the market. You understand? And if you switch to 15-minute time frame, if you switch to 15-minute time frame, is the candlestick that break below this particular support level, and since then the market have not go up to that particular area. Then what exactly are we seeing here? The market is trying to consolidate, because this is evening already. This is already evening, and everything I'm seeing is that the market is coming down. Everything I'm saying is that the market must come to this particular. It's not must to, because nobody can be 100% sure of what the market will do. You understand? But what I'm expecting, what I predict, is that the market will come to this particular area. You get, or maybe go below. But this is where I'm expecting to take out I'm targeting to take out my my position out. So that's all, and exactly what we'll be expecting from this week. Exactly what we'll be expecting from this week from the daily time frame is the market to come down. Is the market to move from this particular resistance level to the downside. You get, is the market to move from this particular resistance level to the downside, maybe create another lower low, gather momentum. To me, is the market to come down to maybe this particular area, gather momentum, then move up and break below this particular resistance level. But presently now, this move cannot break this resistance level. This particular move from this downside here cannot break this resistance level. The market will come down to this particular area, gather momentum before we see a break to the resistance level, then maybe come down, retest, and we'll see a continuation to the upside. So That's all I'm expecting this week. And this all I'm expecting this week. All this week throughout the month, we'll be seeing the market coming down, maybe come to this area, then we'll see a push to the upside, break above this resistance level, then come retest and continue each way to the upside. So this is exactly what I'm expecting on the market in this particular week. This week that we are in is exactly what I'm expecting from the market. So thank you guys for watching, and if you see this particular content interesting, please don't forget to like and share to anybody you know that will like this type of content. Your like and your share, your comments will go a long way, your subscription will go a long way helping the channel. Thank you guys, and I see you in my next video. Bye for now. Don't forget, I love you all. Thank you.